In the age of digital exploration, cybersecurity is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Every tap, every click, every swipe while on the move could potentially expose your personal data to lurking cyber threats. But fear not, as today we'll explore the top 10 essential cybersecurity tips to protect your personal data while traveling. Beginning at number 10, secure your devices. Before embarking on any journey, ensure your devices have the latest antivirus software and security updates installed. It's like packing an invisible shield for your digital life. Moving to number 9, use strong, unique passwords. A strong password is your first line of defense. Think of it as a digital lock that keeps your personal information safe. At number 8, we have enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, just like a double lock on your front door. Number 7 emphasizes the importance of using secure and verified Wi-Fi networks. Unsecured networks are like open doors for cyber criminals. Halfway through our list, at number 6, be wary of public charging stations. They may be convenient, but they could also be a gateway for hackers to access your device. At number 5, turn off automatic connectivity. Your device automatically searching and connecting to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth can leave you vulnerable. Number 4 advises to use a virtual private network. A VPN is like a secure tunnel for your data, keeping it safe from prying eyes. Coming in at number 3, keep software up to date. Regular updates are your device's way of staying healthy and strong against potential cyber threats. At number 2, limit the information you share online. The less information available, the less there is for cybercriminals to exploit. And finally, our number 1 tip, back up your data. This ensures that even if the worst happens, you won't lose what's important. In short, these 10 essential cybersecurity tips can be your digital armor when traveling. Secure your devices, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, use secure Wi-Fi networks, avoid public charging stations, turn off automatic connectivity, use a VPN, keep your software up to date, limit online sharing, and always back up your data. Remember, in the digital world, your safety lies in your own hands. So gear up and travel smart. Stay safe, stay secure.